Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today I have a new table setting for you in the colors of pink and gold. So as you can tell, there's a lot of bling going on in this table setting, and the best part is most of the items here are from the Dollar Tree. Everything except for one item here that you see displayed on this table. So let's get started. So the very first thing I have are these gold chargers. I have them at each place setting with the pink paper plate. And we have our centerpieces. We have the cylinder jars. This first one is, wrapped in the Dollar Tree bling. I have my candle inside this one. The next one, we have just a flower that I took from just one bundle of the Dollar Tree flowers. I took it off the stem and placed it in this jar, and then I have it sitting on a candle plate. If you want to add more bling, you can add, some bling around this jar as well. I was trying to mix it up a little bit. I didn't want to go too overboard, but for me, I personally would do it, but I just want to show what it would look like if you didn't do every single jar. The next one we have is the cylinder jar with the candle, and it is attached to one of the candle sticks. And I just hot glued this jar to the candlestick just to give it more height. If you can tell, like I want to give everything a different height, so I kind of like that look. Next we have just a regular jar, and I have one of the little flowers off the one bundle of Dollar Tree flowers, and this one is one of the Dollar Tree bowls, and I wrapped it in the gold bling, and I filled it with water, and then put a couple of the LED lights, the water lights. So right now I have 4 in here, but I think we'll add a little bit more, just to give it that little extra pizzazz. Next we have, or actually this bowl, I have it attached to 2 of the candlesticks. You can see right here, and it's sitting on the candlestick plate. And just to, give it that little added touch, I just added one of those roses right in front of it. And you could actually just add this rose all around the plate, going all the way around it. I think that would be really cute as well. And then here is just a repeat of the items I just showed you, just so I can keep it even on the table. And then we have the beautiful Dollar Tree rose petals in light pink. And I like the fact that I'm using multiple pinks. I didn't want to keep everything the same, so I have like I guess they're kind of like the hot pink paper plates. Then it's the Dollar Tree pink tablecloth, which is, it's a different shade. And then we have the light pink petals and the pink roses. But, just to add to the table with all the different pinks, I think it gives it, a classy look. And what else? Oh, we have the one item that I did not get from the Dollar Tree, which is this gold bling table runner. And I did order that from Amazon. You can order them in packs of like 5, 10, more. But I just ordered this one just so I can show you guys this table setting using the bling table runner. And you don't have to do every table with this gold runner. You can kind of mix it up a bit if you wanted to. And the Dollar Tree actually has they do have table runners. I didn't see any bling ones, but they did have different colors. So, maybe you can mix it up with white. And then with you having the rose petals here, it would still look, pretty good. All right, guys, I think that is it. I hope you enjoyed this table setting. And hey, to all my subscribers, if you have an idea of a Dollar Tree table setting that you would like to see, so I can try and see if I can put it together, I'm up for the challenge. So Please put in the comments below of some ideas, and if I think they are possible, I may try and do a few for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.